Hello students, in our previous lecture we discussed about different kinds of operations that are to be performed on signals. In this lecture we will discuss about waveform synthesis, that is how to express complex waveform in terms of simple functions. This is called as waveform synthesis. The functions that are used are u of t and r of t, that is unit step signal and ramp signal. Any kind of complex waveform we will express in terms of unit step and ramp. This is the basic idea of waveform synthesis. Let us start. First, how to express a signal in terms of unit step. That is, if there is a signal like this, I need to express this signal in terms of u of t. So how to do that? If you observe here, this signal is nothing but summation of these two signals, that is u of t minus a plus minus u of t minus b. If we add these two signals, the resultant signal will be like this. So this is nothing but u of t minus a minus u of t minus b. So when a signal is given, do I need to draw these waveforms every time to express in terms of unit step? The answer is no, because there is a shortcut involved here. What you will do is start from the point A, check the amplitude. Amplitude is increased by 1, so this is plus 1, and the point is A, that is u of t minus a, and it is continued till B. At B, amplitude is decreased by 1, this is decreasing, so write minus 1. At the point P, that is u of t minus b. This is the shortcut, you can write directly. Next, let us understand how to express a signal in terms of ramp. To express in terms of ramp, first you should write the equation of every line. Let us write equation of this line. Slope is 1 by 1, y equal to mx plus c. Slope is 1, t plus c. At t equal to minus 2, this y becomes 0. Y is 0 at t equal to minus 2. From this, c will be 2. So equation of the line is y equal to t plus 2. This will become t plus 2. And the equation of this line is y equal to 1. And the equation of this line is slope is decreasing, that is minus t, and y intercept will be 2 plus c. Or I can write 2 minus t plus 2. After this, at starting the line is t plus 2. To make this line as 1, I should add something to this. Then only this will become 1. So from this x will be minus t minus 1. So for r of t plus 2, and remember quotient of t should be 1. So take minus 1 as common here. This will become t plus 1. For r of t plus 2, we should add minus r of t plus 1 to make this equal to 1. Next, this 1 is continued till here. At the point, this 1 is becoming minus t plus 2. So for 1, I should add something so that this will become minus t plus 2. From this, x will be minus t plus 1. I should take minus as common. This will become t minus 1. This is nothing but minus r of t minus 1. So for 1, I should again add minus r of t minus 1 to make this equal to minus t plus 2. And at the end, minus t plus 2 is becoming 0. So minus t plus 2 plus x is equal to 0. From this, x will be t minus 2 or r of t minus 2. So for this, I should again add r of t minus 2. Hence my signal is completed. I express the signal in terms of ramp. This is the procedure you should follow. This is the first step, and this is the second step. This is the third step. First you should write the equation of all lines. After that you should perform the steps. Express the following signal in terms of u of t. We will follow a shortcut procedure here. First, let us start from -4. Here the amplitude is increased by 4. At the point -4, that is u of t plus 4. This is on the left side, that's why I am writing u of t plus 4. If it is on the right side, I should write u of t minus 4. After this, it is continued till -2, and at -2 amplitude is increased by 2 again, that is plus 2 into u of t plus 2. Next, this is continued till 2, and at 2 amplitude is decreased by 2. So since it is decreasing, I will write as -2 into u of t minus 2, and this is continued till 4. At 4 it is again decreased by 4. So -4 u of t minus 4. This will be the answer. Next, express the following signal in terms of u of t and r of t. So let us start by writing the equations. The equation of this line is slope will be 4 by 2. Slope will be 2. So y equal to 2t plus c. At t equal to -6, y will become 0. 0 equal to 2 into -6 plus c. So from this c will be 12. Equation will be 2t plus 12. 2t plus 12. And equation of this line is 4. Equation of this line will be 6. And equation of this line will be slope is 6 by 2, that is 3. Y equal to 3t plus c. And at c equal to 4, y is becoming 0. Sorry, this is a negative slope here. Y equal to -3t plus c. Since this is decreasing, this will be negative slope. So 0 equal to -3 into 4 plus c. From this c will be 12. So this equation will be -3t plus 12. Now let us start. First, for 2t plus 12, I should add something so that this will become 4. From this x will be -2t minus 12 plus 4. That is -2t minus 8. So coefficient of t should be 1. This will be t plus 4. That is -2 into r of t plus 4. And this signal is 2 into r of t plus 6. So for 2 into r of t plus 6, I should add -2 into r of t plus 4. Next, after this, here a unit step is involved. That is, my amplitude is increased by 2 at the point -2. So I should add plus 2 into u of t plus 2. Otherwise, you can follow the general method, that is, for 4 I am adding something so that it is becoming 6. From this x will be 2. Here no t term is involved, so that we should understand this is a unit step function. We should write 2 into u of t plus 2. That's it. Otherwise you can follow the shortcut. Next, this unit step is continued till t equal to 2. At t equal to 2, this is being converted into -3t plus 12. So third step is 6 plus x will be -3t plus 12. From this x will be -3t plus 6. So I will take -3 as common here. T minus 2. That is -3 into r of t minus 2. For this I should again add minus 3 into r of t minus 2. Next, at the end, minus 3 plus 12 is being converted to 0. Final step is minus 3 plus 12 is being converted to 0. So from this x will be 3t minus 12, otherwise 3 into t minus 4. So I can write 3 into r of t minus 4 plus 3 into r of t minus 4. This is all about waveform synthesis. In our next lecture, we will start with classification of signals.